Hello friends. Today we are going to learn a newspaper activity dancing girl. For this activity we need newspaper, scale, glue and scissors if required. Take a piece of paper and split it into two parts with the help of scale. Keep your finger at one corner of the paper and keep folding it 3 to 4 times in order to make a cone shape, as I did. One by one, paste it with the help of glue over the line till the end, as I am doing. Now your skirt is ready. Now let's color the top as per your choice to make it a beautiful dancing girl.